So we have seen feed considerations and we have seen the material removal rate or the total material removed V earlier also. So these were the equations we have got, and earlier also I have explained about the the formulations for material removal, the equivalent density. So now we look at two numerical questions regarding this. So let's start with the first numerical question, where in the initial ECM process, we are given with the voltage 10, conductivity 0.2, F feed rate is 1 mm per minute, and we are given with pure iron. So after given with pure iron, they need not give all the different things like atomic weight, the equivalent, the valency, and rho. You should have an estimate by as a mechanical engineer that rho density is 7,860 kg per meter cube for iron, and iron alloys it is close to it. Density, and by chemistry, basic chemistry, we should know that the atomic number is close to 56. Atomic weight is close to 56, and my valency is Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus VOC. And I've explained that we will use the first valency itself, so it will be Fe2 plus, so that is 2, and delta V is given, the voltage drop is given as 1.5 volts. So we have known the equation, we need to calculate YE. So YE will be lambda by F using the constant feed rate approach. So lambda, I need to find lambda, so that is Ka V minus del V upon rho ZF. So I have got the value of del lambda, and using that YE will be 0.0375 centimeters. So this is the final final gap I'm going to achieve in my ECM process. So you can see this is a very small gap, 3 mm, 0.3 mm such. So the tool must have a very good control system such that it is going to maintain that small distance between tool surface and electrode surface, workpiece surface. Now let's use some, let's use second numerical to understand the surface irregularities of electrode and electrodes. So both electrodes, work and tool, both have irregularities, surface unevenness. So it is given that the maximum surface unevenness on work is 8 micrometer and on tool it is 5 micrometer. So we need to take that into account now. DC voltage given is 12 volts, pure iron workpiece is given, need not give area, valency, density, everything. Delta V voltage drop is 1.5 volts, and we need to estimate the largest possible feed rate. So let's start with it. So minimal gap will be, the minimal gap should be the YE. So why I'm taking minimal gap, that is the first question. So we want to estimate the largest possible feed rate, and to get the largest possible feed rate, from this the feed rate formula will be F is equal to lambda by YE, and I want to have the largest possible feed rate. That means the YE should be minimum. That's why I'm taking the minimal gap, and minimal gap is also called as nominal gap sometimes. So that is the minimum distance we should have between the electrode and work to avoid the short circuit, because these are electrically conductive, the workpiece and tool. If I'm going to short them, then the current will directly flow through them and there will be no dissolution or no machining happening. So the minimum gap will be 8 plus 5, that is just summation, that is 13 micrometer or 0.0013 centimeter. Since we got this Y is centimeter and the feed rate was used in mm per minute, so mm per second should be the value which we should enter in my formula. So you should take that into account also, and my final answer YE came out to be in centimeters. So you should take that also into consideration. You should remember what value and in what units I should substitute the value, so as the values are having consistency in units. So YE is 0.0013 centimeter, and using that formula YE is equal to lambda by F. F will be lambda by YE. Lambda value is given, so all other things are given to us. So the value is the feed rate 0.0595 centimeters per second, and we have used minimum YE to get the maximum feed rate that was asked to us. So this is the largest feed rate, that is 0.5 mm per second. So we'll stop over here. In the next video, we'll start with new unconventional machining processes, that is ultrasonic machining process. Thank you.